Utanonis Tembu, yesterday's episode was hectic. It started off well and then boom, Sneh and Mangwabe had an altercation, guys. I know we all saw that. What do you think? Everybody's blaming Sneh, and yeah, of course, Sneh is to be blamed because what the girl? You're supposed to sit down and amicably resolve an issue that you created in the first place, but you decide, no, I'm not gonna do that. Actually, I'm gonna walk away. And mina guys, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I blame Mseleku for sitting there, not controlling the situation, not stopping Sneh from leaving, not being very firm and stand with Sneh and be like, Sneh, ke biditse meeting because ha ke rate ntwa e diragalang between wena le bo mama gago, so ke batla re resolve wa re ga o ba batle, and it's impossible gore o ska ba batla because they are part of this family as much as you are. So now, as the head of the family, I've decided to call this meeting, and as I've called this meeting, ke tlo go make sure everybody stays through the meeting until we resolve this issue amicably. Hey, not Museleku. Museleku decides to be very soft with Sneh and decides to like Nganga Sneh in a situation where actually he was not supposed to. Because why? Sneh was supposed to be told for there's a meeting. It's because of 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna stay through that meeting. We're gonna resolve these issues because as a family, we cannot live this way. Museleku lets Sneh leave, and Museleku lets Sneh dictate to her, nah, I didn't want to be here because you didn't bring me here with the truth. You brought me here on your terms and you didn't tell me why I'm here. I blame Museleku, number one. Secondly, Mangwabe did well by following Usne because imagine a pending issue like this for months and months and months. You're not talking to a child because by misbehaving, and now you want to address it as the adult. You don't even know how to. And then you get to be given a platform. You are told you are you must come and have a sit down, listen, libue. Then when you get there, Sneh starts acting and misbehaving. What must you do? She did well by following Usne, and then she also did well by saying what was inside her mind and her heart, because now she wanted to cry, guys. She wanted to cry because this affects her as a mother that is raising kids in that family. And she even mentioned to Sneh, what you're saying is a lie. Why are you lying about us? Yeah, well, and if people dislike Sneh, honestly, I believe it's because of Sneh. I've realized over the years, Sneh has this anger and attitude that she cannot control that makes people not like her. It's not because people are just having something against Sneh. Makumalo is a bigger person for having solved whatever they had with Sneh, because we've seen her and Makumalo on several images on Instagram. It means Yana and Makumalo are in good terms now. But Mangwabe, guys, we might think Mangwabe is a horrible person. No, Mangwabe is a person who sees things for what they are, and she addresses them as they should be addressed. She doesn't want to sugarcoat things and let things slide. We resolve issues and we come to the end of those issues with a solution. That's Mangwabe. As you heard her, she says, I, as Mangwabe, was actually trying to help you as Sneh by buying you food. Did you hear what Sneh said? Sneh said, dijo tse dinnyane tseo ke le phaletšhe fela mo plastikinyaneng e one. Is this not an ungrateful human being? Mangwabe doesn't have to do anything for you. Your father should be the one doing things for you. But when your father was not doing them, Mangwabe stepped in as your mother and decided, I will help Sneh. When you receive help from people and you call it little help, what kind of a person does that make you? You are ungrateful and you don't see other people's efforts. And once you are that person, you are not going to change. People are not even going to appreciate you around them, because Mangwabe asked her, did you ever say thank you to me for doing all those things for you? Don't ever do anything for me again. Yeah, no, Sneh is one of those people by Longkor. They just, they just go and take out their things on other people, whereas other people are not the problem. They are the problem. Her not having a mother is an issue. Yes, it's an issue. It's a big deal. It's a horrible thing that she lost her mother at an early age and stuff like that. Because if she had a mother, she would have turned out differently. Because a father is not present. Mzaleko is busy building his own life. He's not able to play that role of a mother to Sneh. But people who are trying to play that role, Sneh is actually shooting them down. Like, don't come anywhere near me. There's nothing good about me. That's the type of a side that Sneh shows to people. Don't come near me. There's nothing good about me. You know? So Mzansi is actually really, really, really disheartened by Sneh's behavior. People are like, why would she not want to talk about it if Kanete she said those things and those things were true? Yes, at the beginning of the conversation, she did mention, Horma, did you not want with your role? And then Mangabe said, so we are Kuluma Manji. She didn't reply on that. You know, maybe Sneh arrived at Mangwabe's house and Mangwabe was not feeling up to being a host, and she was a little bit nasty towards Sneh, and Sneh took it the wrong way. But Sneh is basically saying, "Wal kulumela I roll." Like Mangwabe spoke on the roll, like don't eat that roll, blah 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 blah. And she's still standing on that 1 year roll. It means maybe, because she even said it in front of Mangwabe. What if there's a little bit of truth to it? But because Kisne, people are just saying, no, there's no way that Mangwabe could have spoken for the role. What if Kaltatileo Mangwabe Ukrilo Ali in a horrible mood and she decided to just take it out on Sneh, you know? Also, Sneh says with Mpilo, whenever she goes to Makumalo's house, Mpilo is like a little bit not okay with her, like, girl, what are you doing here type of vibe. So Sneh feels like Mpilo is not into her because Yana and Mpilo, they don't get along. I really don't blame Mpilo. After Sneh's attitude, showing her bad behavior, showing her, I don't want people near me attitude, I'm on my own, I people will not want to be around you. You've shown people that when you actually do not like them that way, you don't vibe with them that way. So Mpilo says, Mina, I don't even care what happens with Sneh because I sleep well at night despite everything she says about me. I don't even get bothered about those things that she says about me. So what Sneh says doesn't really bother me. I do not blame them. The attitude that Sneh puts on the table is what's driving everybody away. Now, the main question for me is, what is Macele going to say about all of this? Because remember, Mangwabe mentions that Macele kicked her out based on the fact that she fell pregnant at that time and nobody wanted to just talk to her or entertain her situation. So I wonder how Macele is going to feel about all of this that's happening, because, hey, Macele doesn't have to deal with a lot of BS that happens kwa Mzumbe. Because Macele doesn't live there. People who stay in Mzumbe are the people who actually get to see everything. Anyway, guys, you let me know what you think in the comment section. Yesterday's episode really touched a lot of people. I cried along because I'm a cry baby myself, so I cried along and it was horrible. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel and definitely come back for more content like this one. I love you.